Alright, so we are on Vision of the Seas, and this is our stateroom. Here's our door that the kids made. And we will go in. And this is a Family View Ocean Stateroom. So it's a little bigger than some. So we walk in, there's the window. Right to the right is the bunk beds. This is where the two girls are staying. Little closet there. Then you can shut this off with curtains, so they have their privacy. And right across from the bunk beds is the restroom. Toilet, shower, stand-up shower, and then you have your vanity over here. So that is the bathroom. So walk into the main area. She comes with the room, so just gotta pay a little extra. But sofa bed, really big, and it comes out to a bed. That's where our boy stays. He just sleeps on the couch. So, window. Seas are a little wavy today, but not bad. Got a couple of lights. Little flat screen TV. And we got a vanity over here. We got our king bed here. And that's pretty much it. That's the door to go out. And then we can also close off the main bedroom. In here we can have lots of privacy also. So, really awesome. We really like the room. Pretty big. So, hope you enjoy.